hair is in these little beads. Okay, and they're called Microlinks. And they are silicone lined to protect my hair and keep it from being keep the beads from tearing my hair. So yeah, I got these off of eBay. Pretty inexpensive. I think they were like $7.99 for, I think it was $9. Let me go look. But yeah, I put these in my hair so I could do a base, like a braid pattern base or whatever, for a sewing. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so what you'll need are some pliers. I got these from my local Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. And then I got some Microlink beads. I got these from eBay. These are pretty cool. If you see the white inside of them, that's silicone, and that helps to protect your hair. It's a buffer between your hair and the black part, which is the Microlink bead. And then I got this from Joann's. It's very strong thread. And guys, I've been wanting to tell you that a lot of us women that go out and get our hair done and get sew-ins, we're getting played. And the reason I say that is because a lot of people use thread that's weak. And the thread, and that's basically because the hairstylist wants you coming back. So this is some thread. This is just a tip. If you like my tip, then please go and get it. I get Coats Outdoor polyester thread. And this is good so it won't break. And like I said, I got it from Joann's. You can probably get it from Walmart or Michael's. Okay? Then I got a curved hook. And I believe I got this either from Joann's or my local beauty supply. One of those. And then I got some scissors. I got these from Dollar General. And guys, if you ever have dull scissors, just put a little bit of oil, not water, oil, because water will stain it, not stain it, rust it. But use some oil in the middle of the blade, and that will help to loosen the blades if they're dull. And these are kind of dull. And then you will need some Connectulon hair or whatever synthetic hair of your choice. I like this because you can braid it. And this is K Hair by Free Tress, which is shake and go. This is 100% Connectulon. So you can heat style it with low heat, and you can use water on it. And guys, this video is not, what's the word? Sponsored. So yeah, all the opinions of these products are mine. I bought all these with my own monies. But yeah, I'm making a tutorial, dang on it. And you take it, put it through the little hole. And guys, this is going to help you with putting the microlinks on. You just tie a knot. Sometimes I tie two. And make sure that it's not too long, but long enough. About this long. About 3 inches. If it's too long, it'll be hard to use it. So I cut the excess off. And then I take it and I pull the knot towards the top of the needle. See? And this will help, because sometimes if you have the knot down here, the beads will get stuck on the knot. So put it right here. Okay? So, I'm going to show you first how to put the bead on. And like I said, guys, I got these from eBay. And they're aligned with silicone. Get the beads with silicone in them. If you don't, it could tear your hair. You can tell it has silicone because of the little white part inside of it. Okay? And that's to help be a buffer between your hair and the bead, which is, I believe, aluminum. Yeah. So just take the hook. Well, not the hook. The curved needle. Put the bead on there. Okay, pull it. Make sure you pull the knot up close. Take it and then pick whatever side of you want for your hair. I'm gonna grab this piece right here and you hold it taut with your finger, and then you pull down, and then you hold. Take your bead, Microlink bead, put on your curved hook. Okay. Pull a piece of hair. And guys, it doesn't really matter how long your hair is, as long as it's like not, well, this is mainly a method for short hair. And you just pull the hook, hold it down, hold the hair down with it, with the hair, with the hook, the needle, wrap the needle's thread wrapped around the bottom part of the hair. Okay, take the bead, push it down, okay, pull up. Okay, I think I did it too tight. Uh-oh, there you go. Pull up, and don't pull your hair out, okay, guys? Now my hand is on it tightly. Then what I'm going to do is take my Dollar Tree pliers. This is just for demonstration purposes. I will not be doing a full head of braids or twists. But yeah. Alright guys. So this is where the synthetic hair comes in. This is 100% Nylon hair. And what you do is you take about this much. Okay. And don't take too much. Don't use a big amount. This may be too much, but it's like that much. And then, depending on how long you want, be careful guys with synthetic hair. I just cut my hand. Ouch! Not cheap synthetic hair, but shucks, you can't hurt your hand. So I'm just going to take this, put the hair on it, and you want to use like the very tip of the hair, because the fatter the hair is, the more harder it is to get underneath the bead. Yes, guys, you will be going underneath the bead. So I got it on there. Okay. It came out. And guys, this takes practice, but once it's done, it looks really realistic, and it looks and it's comfortable. You can oil and do your hair the way you want to. And guys, my hair is 4C, and I'm also TANZYTHEGLOWUPGURU. So I wanted to tell you guys this. This is a warning. If your hair is really kinky, you cannot keep this in more than a month. I suggest keep checking on your hair, because your hair can lock if you have 4C hair, 4B, or 4C. I'm not sure about 3C, 3A, and all that. But the looser your hair is, the better these will last in your hair. It'll be easier to take out. But the kinkier your hair is, think about it. Just think about it. You don't want to do that. So I would say check your hair after a month, maybe every 2-3 weeks, and see how your hair is doing. And when I say check it, like check the roots and see if it's getting really nappy at the roots or kinky at the roots. Sorry guys. But back to what I was talking about. That's a warning. Take it, take a bead, put it right underneath. Take the needle and put it right underneath the bead. And guys, be careful, because sometimes if your hair is really thin, it can rip through the bead. You just pull it through. Okay? Once you pull it through, it looks like this. Okay? And what you can do is even it up, pull it a little bit. Be gentle. Be very gentle, because this can hurt if you don't do it gently. And you can even put another piece of hair under there if you want to. But me, I'm just going to do a braid. Show you guys how I do it. And guys, they can look realistic. This is just for people that really want braids, but, you know, can't really get them. You just keep braiding. Overlap. One right after the other. Twist, twist. And guys, I was wondering about this bead. Like, you can see it a little bit, but if you pull the hair like so, You can barely see the bead. But make sure the beads are not exposed. You can actually add more hair around the bead if you don't want it to show. Okay? So, I'm just going to keep on braiding this. And guys, this is the braid. I'm going to also show you how I do a twist. And this is how the braid looks so far. Let me see that. And if you want to do an updo, you can. And the more beads you use and the less space you have, the less space for a twist is basically the same thing. And guys, with the braid, you have to split it into 3 pieces, okay? But with this, you just keep it as 1 piece into 2 pieces. And just go underneath the bead. Let me go do the other one. Underneath the bead. Pull it through. And try to make sure you pull it like between. Let's see. Okay. Make sure you pull it so that it doesn't have too much hair. And sometimes you have to get really close. There you go. To the root. Now you pull it through. And if you say you want it like scenic leaf twist, you would just basically go tight around the base and just keep twisting. And like I said, if you want the bead not to show, then kind of pull the bead a little bit. Pull it. Oh, twisting it the wrong way. Pull the bead like this. Take your hair, synthetic hair. Take the bead and kind of push it into the hair to help camouflage it. Or you can basically pull it a little bit like this to help camouflage it. Okay? And that's how you would do a scenic leaf twist or braid with this method. Okay, guys? And I will make more videos showing you how to use these beads. Just know you saw it here first. I'm Tanzania, the weave whipped queen. And guys, I do have 3 YouTube channels. Wish I could get you guys a little closer. So that's where the bead is. Okay? Clamp it with the hair. Hold it this way. Hold it going downward. And then you take your pliers and go up above it. That's the best way I can explain it. And then you take it off. So like I said, guys, pull the bead and go above it. Pull it right off. Or you can do this if you don't want to do that. Pull it back. Pull it back. Clamp it. Pull it out. There you go. Alright, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. This is the Tanzy technique. I'm Tanzania, aka Tanzy. Please subscribe, and I will subscribe back to you automatically. Alright, guys. Y'all be blessed.